Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Moving forward to the exercise 2D, question number 14. In this question, we have to multiply, divide the decimals as given. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For our ease, we convert these decimal into fractions like that. We have to convert this 0.15 into 15. If we divide hundred, and this 0.5 can be written as 5 as it is divided by 10. So we can write 10 of this in the denominator. Similarly, multiply sign. 0.16 can be written as 16 negative divided by and 1.2 can be written as 12 divided by 10. Now we can easily solve this. We can cut this 0 with this 0, this 0 with this 0. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 3 is 15. Similarly, if 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16. So what we get from this cutting, from this fraction we get 1 upon 10, and from this fraction we get plus 4 upon 10. If we multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, minus 4 multiplied by 1 is minus 4, and 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. Now we can cut this 4 with 100. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 25 is 100. So what we get is minus 1 upon 25. This is our required answer. Similarly, in part B, we can, for our ease, we can convert this decimal to the fraction like that. 0.027 can be written as 27 divided by 1000, and this 0.3 can be written as 3 divided by 10. This bracket 1.4 can be written as 14 divided by 10, and this negative 0.18 can be written as multiply with 18, negative 18 divided by 100. Now we can cut this 0 with this 0, these two zeros with these two zeros. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 9 is 27. Now 9 times 1 is 9, and 2 times of 9 is 18. Similarly, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 7 is 14. So what we get is whole denominator become 1 upon 10, and on this side multiply by 7 or minus 1. If we multiply 1 with 7, we get 7, and 10 with minus 1, we get minus 10. So this is our required answer. Now moving forward to part C. 0.4 square. So 0.4 square is 0.16. 0.16. Since the square of a negative number always be positive, so this minus sign is vanished. 0.16 multiplied by 1.3 can be written as 13. Negative 13 multiplied by divided by 10, and this 0.8 can be written as 8 divided by 10. Less 0.62 can be written as 62 divided by 100. So first of all, we have to solve these first two items. We can cut 10 with 10. For making it simple, we can convert this 0.16 as 16 divided by 100. So we can cut this 8 with 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So what we get is 2 multiplied by minus 13, or we can cut 2 with 52 times 1 is 2, 2 times 50 is. So what we get is minus 13 divided by 50. Less 62 divided by 100. Now when we take the LCM of these two numbers, we get 100. So for making it 100, we multiply this minus 13 with 2, 50 with 2, minus 62 multiplied by 1, 100 multiplied by 1. What we get is 26, 62, 100. Or we can write it as the required answer. Similarly, the cube of 0.2 is minus 0.008 multiplied with 27. 1.6 can be written as 16 divided by 10 plus 105 divided by 1000. Or we can write this number as 8 minus 8 divided by 1000. So now we can cut this 0 with this 0. 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So what we get is minus 1 multiplied by 27 minus 27 divided by 100 multiplied by 2 is 200 plus 105 upon 1000. When we take the LCM of these two numbers, we get 1000. So for making this 1000, we have to multiply minus 27 with 5 and 200 with 5 also. plus 105 upon 1000. Minus 135 plus 105. What we get is minus 30 upon 1000. We can cut this 0 with this 0. What we get is 0.03 negative. That is our required answer. Hopefully you understand. Keep watching for more videos.